steam pouring from under your hood. A cracked radiator can ruin your day and drain your wallet. But what if you could fix it fast, without a massive mechanic bill? Welcome back. Today we are counting down the top 5 best radiator stop leaks to rescue your engine. Links to all these products are in the description below, so you can easily check current prices. Let's get right into it. Kicking off our list is an absolute fan favorite, Bars Leaks Liquid Copper Block Seal. This 18-ounce powerhouse permanently fixes cooling system leaks in just one step. The best part? There is absolutely no draining required. Its anti-freeze compatible liquid glass penetrates large and small leaks in plastic, aluminum, and cast iron. Whether you are running traditional or extended life coolant, Bars Leaks has you covered for under $8. It is incredibly easy to use. Just pour it directly into the radiator. Next up is the Liqui Moly Radiator Stop Leak. Coming in a 150 milliliter bottle, this German-engineered cooler additive boasts an impressive 4.4 out of 5 stars on Amazon. Liqui Moly is known worldwide for its premium automotive fluids, and this stop leak is no exception. It is highly effective, simple to use, and works beautifully to seal hairline cracks and small leaks in your cooling system before they have a chance to turn into a major engine failure. Coming in at number 3, we have the XADO ATOMEX Stop Leak Radiator Coolant Additive. This 250 milliliter bottle offers versatile compatibility for both gasoline and diesel engines. What makes XADO stand out is its commitment to long-term protection. Not only does it act as an affordable, permanent fix across aluminum, plastic, and steel parts, but it also prevents future rust and corrosion from building up, ensuring your cooling system maintains absolute peak performance. Our 4th pick is the Visbella Radiator Stop Leak Sealer Conditioner. This is a highly affordable, paste-style tube engineered by automobile and chemistry experts. Safe for all metals, plastics, and rubber hoses, it acts as a true guardian for your radiator. Not only does this one-step formula permanently repair coolant loss on cars, trucks, and RVs, but it also actively conditions the system to lubricate your water pump and prevent rust. Finally, for the really tough jobs, we have the K-Seal Heavy-Duty Multi-Purpose Coolant Leak Repair. This 16-ounce pour-and-go solution is trusted by professional mechanics. It works in minutes to permanently seal holes and cracks in radiators, head gaskets, and water pumps. No draining or flushing is required. Just shake the bottle, pour it in, and run your engine. It is independently tested and perfect for large engines or commercial vehicles. There you have it. 5 incredible options to fix those pesky radiator leaks and get you safely back on the road. Remember, you can find the links to all the products mentioned today in the description box below. If this video helped you out, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more automotive reviews, and I will meet you in the next video. Drive safe.